You know the long hair granddad come in every day drinking. I think he got no teeth. That's why he can't really eat. He just drink water. Look at them, 4 of them. Should I adopt the new one, the hairy one? Already got 3. What should I do? Decision. If he want to come in, he or she want to come in, he come in. I'm welcome. 貓貓要唔要入屋啊？4隻，但可以湊埋一頭打孖裝。4 can play 孖裝。All become playmate。can play 孖裝，係咪可以打麻雀係嘛？湊4個湊夠一台。你唔好啦，你哋又做乜嘢啊？唔准，唔准打交。最錫呢個原居民。Why you hissing me? That's not fair. Let's talk to Granddad. Hello, Granddad. Oh, Granddad 好驚 ，still afraid. Oh, that too is just coming to my house. They changed their life. Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in, sweetie? No. Okay. Never mind.